Hello, this is Rhonda Porter, author of the Mortgage Porter with your mortgage update for April 25th, 2010. Mortgage rates for the conforming 30-year fixed are still hanging around the high 4s to low 5s, depending on what your mid-credit score is, or if you have a co-borrower or spouse, what their mid-credit score is, your loan-to-value or home equity, how long you need to have your rate to be locked or rate lock commitment period, and your loan amount. And then also if you want to have your rate priced with or without points. So there are a lot of factors that impact how a mortgage rate is priced. In fact, with an 80% loan to value and a conforming mortgage, if your score is in the 700 range, there are actually 3 different price brackets based on your credit score. Mortgage rates change constantly too. It's not unusual to receive 3 rate sheets in one day with new pricing being published. Sometimes the change to pricing may be so small that you as a consumer may not be impacted, and other times it can be dramatic and quite volatile. The changes can be by rate or by fee depending on how the price sheet is issued. And I do post live rate quotes and bits about mortgages on Twitter throughout the weekday, and during the evenings and weekends my tweets tend to be a little more personal, so you might hear what I'm making for dinner, something about the Mariners or something like that. So if you're not following me, please check me out at Mortgage Porter, or on Twitter it's www.twitter.com/Mortgage Porter. I also have a week in review as well as a forecast for the upcoming week as to what to expect with mortgage rates, and you can find that posted every Sunday at www.seattlemortgageplanner.com. And this is the last week for the home buyer's tax credit. Those who are interested in qualifying for the credit must be in a mutually accepted signed around contract by this Friday, April 30th. And if you're considering taking advantage of the credit, be sure to check in with your mortgage professional as soon as possible to make sure that your pre-approval is still valid and not expired. Most sellers and listing agents will not accept an offer without a current pre-approval letter. And if you're selling a home, please be sure to consider FHA buyers. FHA is a much easier loan than it was just 5 years ago. The appraisals are easier, the underwriting's better, and there's actually barely any cost, if any, to the seller as far as like the old non-allowable closing costs. The current loan limit in King County, Pierce, and Snohomish County for a single-family dwelling is $567,500, and many of my FHA clients are actually putting down more than the minimum required down payment of 3.5%. You know, they might be putting down 10 or 15%. It's just going to depend on circumstances and different FHA guidelines. And if you're not accepting FHA offers, you're really reducing the possibilities of selling your home. If I can help you with your mortgage needs for homes located in Washington State, please contact me. I'm Rhonda Porter, and you can learn more about me at www.mortgageporter.com. Thanks a lot. I hope you have a great day.